I'm submitting a video to Robert Kirkman from The Walking Dead. I watch the show every Sunday at 8 o'clock. I never miss an episode. I really don't know what I'd do with my life without it, and my life really isn't that good right now. I live in Madison, Wisconsin. My name is Wes. Um, Robert, I know you were born on November 30th, 1978. You're about 3 months older than I am, so I would really like to win this contest because this show is honestly the only good thing on TV worth watching. So that's my video. I was going to do a song for the video, but I read in the rules it can be only 60 seconds or less, so I guess I better hurry up and finish this video. So I love this show, and I hope I win. Thanks.